Hi, if you like my channel, subscribe please. And for you people who are haters of everything anybody does to help other people, start your own channel. I don't never ever see you with a video. This is a Raptor. That's one of them flip up ones, 54 inch. So we had problems. We used it one day. I bought it from a buddy used, and went to clean the deck, and then it died. Or we shut it off and then it wouldn't start again. So one of the big problems is these little safety things here. See how as I move the arm in and out, that's your, when it's all the way out, that's your parking brake. And then you can see the two prongs off the back. So there's power to one side always, and then once the parking brake is set, then the power goes through. Well, you got one on the left, and for you people that need to be shown, you got one on the right, and then you have one in the seat. So nobody has a wiring harness. We could not find a wiring harness to save our soul. So here is all of them safeties, all these orange and grays, and we finally cut the wiring harness apart. I mean, this stuff was thick as steel, like cut with a brand new razor blade. Just such hard plastic. But here's what everything underneath here looks like. So it comes from China, or go ahead, Tom, correct me, or Bob, or whoever the hell you are, correct me and tell me it's a different place. Anyways, they don't come with all this crap, all these relays. They just come simple, turn the key, go. But we gotta put all these warning labels like, don't put your snowblower on your roof because you could fall through. Stupid crap like that. So we have to add all these extra safety wires. So that's what the majority of this is, safety now. Finally, we just give up. I'm not buying another $20 seat thing, or I'm one of them, you know, 15, 30 bucks. It's just stupid. So we just brought them out, and this is for test purposes only, so don't do this at your house, okay? That way when you get off your mower, you don't cut your leg off like a retard. So we just chased these all up for testing purpose only. So now we take the key, wow, real hard. So the other thing is, a lot of people don't know how their decks work. I got this block of wood so don't hit my wiring and cut it. So what it is this pin right here. This pin is normally up here, okay? And that's what raises you. This bottom one will raise your deck up and down, lower. But when you go to raise it, you put that pin in one way or another, don't matter which way. Then you gotta have the parking brake set and nobody on the seat. You start it up. Other way. Board on the other side blocking it, so, but anyways, that'll flip 90 degrees up. That way you can maintenance underneath and everything else. I mean, it just depends on what you want to do. The other thing is right here in this side, in this little harness sets this, which is the fuses. We just threw a 30 in, that's all we had. They're normally a 15 and a 10. Then there is a main inline fuse. That green one down there, you can see it by the solenoid. But nobody ever wants to cut these harnesses. Nobody ever shows you the insides of the harnesses. Oh yeah, I skimmed a couple wires. Thanks for telling me, Mr. Obvious. But, I mean, that's all there is. This is probably 90% of the people's problem, is all this extra. It's just, you know, that control box, $200. You know, I mean, what do you want to spend? A few minutes playing around with these over here. I would take them all apart and just wire them like this in a loop real quick and test it to see if it starts before I go out and spend money. But I hope this helps somebody, and I'll make more videos in the future. So please subscribe, and thank you guys.